What if I told you there's a product homeowners and pest control companies both use that can wipe out ants, spiders, roaches, fleas, ticks, and dozens of other bugs, and it costs you just a few dollars per treatment around your house? Today I want to talk about Bifin IT, also known as bifenthrin, why I use it around my home, the benefits, and most importantly, how to apply it safely and effectively. Because when you apply it the right way, you can create a protective barrier around your home that keeps bugs from ever getting inside. What's going on, everybody? Eric here with the Average Homeowners YouTube channel, the channel where we talk about the real stuff homeowners deal with: lawn care, lawn maintenance, upgrades, home maintenance, and ways to protect your home. And today we're talking about DIY pest control, specifically a product called Bifin IT. Now, I'm not a pest control company, but like a lot of homeowners, I got tired of paying hundreds of dollars a year for pest treatments when I realized there are professional grade products available to homeowners that you can apply yourself. And one of the most popular is Bifin IT. So what is Bifin IT? Bifin is a broad spectrum insecticide whose active ingredient is bifenthrin. It belongs to a class of insecticides, and I'm going to get a little nerdy here, called parentheroids, which are basically synthetic versions of natural compounds originally found in flowers. What makes bifenthrin so effective is that it attacks the insect's nervous system, quickly disrupting their ability to move and survive. But here's the key benefit for homeowners. It doesn't just kill the bugs you spray directly. It creates a residual barrier around your home. And let's talk about the bugs that it controls. One of the reasons homeowners like Bifin is because it works on a huge list of pests. Some of the most common ones include ants, spiders, roaches, fleas, ticks, mosquitoes, silverfish, earwigs, beetles, centipedes, millipedes, tomato, potato, whatever. Basically, if it crawls around your home, Bifin IT probably controls it, and that's why it's commonly used for a perimeter treatment around your home. And why do homeowners love it? Well, there's a few reasons this product is so popular for do-it-yourself pest control. The first is that it's long-lasting. Bifin IT has a residual effect that can last up to 30 to 90 days outdoors, depending on weather conditions. Second, it's very cost-effective. One bottle can treat your home dozens of times, which makes it an easy treatment for only a few dollars compared to professional pest control services. Third is that it's low odor. Third is that it's low odor. It's odorless once it's dry, which is nice compared to some pest treatments. Fourth, it's professional grade. This is the same active ingredient that many pest control companies use, so you're essentially using the same tools as the professional pest control people. Next, let's talk about where to apply it. This is where application matters the most. You're not just randomly spraying your yard and home. The goal is to create a protective barrier around your house, and you're going to want to spray these areas: the foundation of the home, around doors and windows, entry points, garages, garage entries, and the apron of the concrete, as well as eaves and soffits, and around patios and decks. A common rule pest control professionals follow is called the 3-foot barrier treatment. You're going to want to spray 3 feet up the wall and 3 feet out on the ground. This creates a defensive perimeter that bugs have to cross if they want to make it to your home. Next, let's talk about how to mix it. Bifin IT is a concentrate, so you mix it with water in a pump-up sprayer. It comes just like this in a multitude of sizes and mixtures, and also can come as a granule. I like the liquid because it tends to last me a few years, and it goes a little bit further when mixing in the pump-up sprayer. A typical mixture is 1 ounce per gallon of water, but you always want to follow the instructions because the label is the legal guide for how to apply pesticides safely. A 1-gallon pump-up sprayer or a backpack sprayer is perfect for most homeowners. Next, let's talk about how I apply it and the practical method that I use. This is the typical way I apply it around my house. Step 1, I mix the solution in a pump-up sprayer. Step 2, I walk the perimeter of the home and I spray all the places that we talked about earlier. 3 feet out, 3 feet up, including my eaves and soffits on the top and around all entry points to the home. Next, I treat all the cracks, gaps, and areas that bugs like to hide. This includes the weep holes in the stone because I know those little suckers like to get in there. And step 5 is to let it dry before people or pets enter the area. The whole process normally takes 15 to 30 minutes for an average home, but I like to give it an hour to dry before anyone goes out into that area or we let the dogs out into the run. Next, let's talk about how often to apply Bifin. Most homeowners apply it every 2 to 3 months. However, in warmer climates like here in Texas, bugs stay active longer, so some homeowners like to apply it every 30 to 60 days during peak bug season. Now, there are some safety tips that we need to talk about. Even though Bifin-IT is widely used, it's still a pesticide, so you want to use it responsibly. Always follow the label instructions for mixing and use, wear gloves, avoid spraying in windy conditions, keep pets and kids away until dry, and don't spray it directly into water sources. Responsible application is the key to any pest control treatment. Now let's talk about where it works best. Bifin-IT works best for preventative pest control. This means you're stopping bugs before they enter your home. If you already have a major indoor infestation, you might need more targeted indoor treatments, or you gotta ring the phone and call the professional for help. But for general home protection, this product works extremely well. I even use it to spot treat for fire ants and ant beds out in the yard. So if you're a homeowner looking for a cost-effective way to control bugs, Bifin-IT is one of the most popular DIY pest control options out there. It's easy to apply, affordable, and when used correctly, can create a strong protective barrier around your home. For many homeowners, it's a simple way to reduce bugs without constantly calling a pest control company. As always, I have linked to Bifin and all the other products that I use down in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Average Homeowners YouTube channel, where we talk about home maintenance, lawn care, pest control, and everything homeowners deal with. And if you've used Bifin-IT before, let me know in the comments below, what pests were you trying to control and did it work for you? I'd love to hear your experience. If you haven't seen my video on the top 5 mistakes people make when using Bifin-IT, go ahead and check this video out here. And if you have already seen that video, go ahead and check this video out right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.